Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have the approved used Audi Q5 S-Line Sportback, finished in the very clean glacier white. It's a 2-litre diesel sporting an S-tronic gearbox and does come equipped with an optional folding tow bar. It's sitting on the 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloys, really setting off the exterior sporty look. You've got the rear privacy glass contrasting very nicely with the white finish. You do have the 40 TDI Quattro badging at the back. Quattro is Audi's 4-wheel drive system. Got a huge amount of boot space. You'll have no trouble fitting in luggage, shopping or bags in. I've kept the roof rails in for a size comparison. Got the leather and Alcantara finish on the interior, very comfortable to be in. Central armrest does fold down nice and easily, and you've got a climate control panel in the rear. Got that sporty yet stylish finish on the dashboard, very well set out. As well as having the front sport seats for the S-Line embossing, gripping in very nicely to drive. And these do come equipped with the 4-way electric lumbar support for added comfort, especially on those longer journeys. Got the full electric windows, got your central lockings, those are your lighting controls. Onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now on the left hand side you've got your display controls, and on the right you've got your Bluetooth and audio. You have also got your cruise control located just behind the steering wheel, fantastic for those longer journeys again, making them a lot more comfortable. It's currently on 5,328 miles and does come equipped with Audi Virtual Cockpit, allowing you to view your multimedia features with touch of a button. Moving to your central touchscreen display. You've got your DAB radio, AM and FM, as well as having your Apple CarPlay. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It's nice and easy to do. Moving on now. You've got your Audi Drive Select, all depending on your preference and terrain. You've got a huge range of different options, always nice to have. So it's having your Bluetooth connectivity, camera setup in seconds, your navigation, which is perfect venturing out and about, camera displayed on here, as well as your virtual cockpit. And if you put the vehicle into reverse, you can access the rear view camera on your display, which does work in hand with your front and rear parking sensors. Making our way down now, we've got your 3-zone climate controls. It's got dual zone at the front, rear passengers have their own as well. You've got front heated seats, keeping you nice and warm, start stop, S-tronic gearbox, and you've got your leather centre arms for storage underneath there as well. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.